Now, according to a report by ICICI Securities, India's capital expenditure cycle is gaining strong momentum, driven mainly by old economy sectors like utilities, energy, metals and industrials. This broad-based investment trend differentiates India from the US, where CapEx growth is now heavily AI-led and positions the country as a hedge against the global AI investment frenzy expected in 2026. The report highlights that India's diversified CapEx will support long-term growth, strengthen domestic capacity and provide stability for investors seeking to avoid sectoral risks. Arzu, what more can you tell us on this now?
Well, India's capital expenditure cycle is gaining strong momentum, driven largely by old economy sectors, positioning the country as a hedge against the global AI-led investment. Expected to peak in calendar year 2026, according to the report by ICICI Securities. And the report noted that unlike the US, where a sharp rise in spending on IT improvements and software is now dominating private investment, India's CapEx story continue to be broad-based and rooted in traditional sector. It added that this trend not only differentiates India from global pattern, but also strengthens the country's long-term investment outlook. And if we talk about further, it is stated that India affects upcycle is an AI hedge, unlike US, where CapEx growth is AI-led now. Old economy sector are fueling India's CapEx growth and thereby positioning India as a hedge against the AI euphoria in 2026. The reports also highlighted that utilities, energy, metals and the industrials remain the biggest contributor to list companies' CapEx. Yes.
Arzu, thanks for joining me. And now, while moving on, Delhi police have arrested 3 men and are searching for a 4th after 27-year-old Vikas Mavi was killed in a late-night brawl. The victim had visited an office in Tughlakabad where an argument escalated into violence, leading to his death. The accused roamed with his body in a car before dumping it near Surajkund. 3 men, Vishal Rai, Keshav Biduri and Praveen, have been arrested, while Rahul Biduri remains on the run. Police say Rahul allegedly destroyed CCTV footage capturing the incident. The 2 of the accused are related to a former MP. Alright, so this is of course big breaking news, viewers, that we're getting you at this point. The Delhi police has arrested 3 men and are searching for a 4th after a 27-year-old, and his name of course is Vikas Mavi, was killed in a late night brawl. The victim had visited an office in Tughlakabad where an argument escalated into violence, leading to his death. The accused roamed around with his body in a car before dumping it near Surajkund. 3 men, Vishal Rai, Keshav Biduri and Praveen, have been arrested. The visuals of that are on your screen. While Rahul Biduri remains on the run, police say Rahul allegedly destroyed CCTV footage capturing the incident, and 2 of the accused are related to a former MP, which is a big development that NewsX is sharing with you. So the visuals of all those men, viewers, arrested are on your screen. And this is, of course, a big manhunt which has been launched for the 4th accused. The murder happened on December 6 and the manhunt is underway. The body, as we're telling you, was dumped in a forest, and the 3 accused have been arrested, whereas the 4th is on the run. Now, viewers, NewsX has now accessed the